What to do if you have been locked out of your Amazon account. If your account is temporarily blocked, the first thing you can do is it's a temporary block, so it will be automatically unblocked after a few hours. So maybe you have to wait for 24 hours or even 48 hours. Then after some time you should be able to log into your account. That is the first option. Then if that still doesn't work after you've waited for a while but your account is still not unlocked, then what you can do is try to contact Amazon support. In your browser, search for Amazon support, and here you can see many links, but you have to be careful because there are a lot of scams in the name of Amazon support. So make sure that you open the correct link. And right here, as you can see, I have opened a support link that is official Amazon account. So once you do that, what you want to do is tap on this login right here. So click on sign in. From here you can click on this need help option, and you need other issues with sign in, so you're having other issues with it. Now here you can select a topic. So for example, my password isn't working. Unfortunately, the I can't sign into my account option is not available here, so I'm just gonna click on my password isn't working. So here are a few tips that you can do, because sometimes for added security they have authorized your account access via email, so you can check your email account. But if you have recently changed your password and having trouble with it, your browser may have your old password, so try clearing that. Then if you haven't tried resetting your password, you can reset your password. If you click here, it will send a reset link to your account on your email. So if you don't see the email from us, then you can call these numbers. So it's from US and Canada, so you can call these numbers if you want the help. So after doing all of these, your problem should be fixed and you should be able to access your account. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video helpful.